The Search for Immortality. In June 2017, a controversial experiment by Philadelphia firm BioQuark began trying to bring human beings back after being categorized as clinically brain dead. Their method involves the injection of a protein blend into the spinal cord, along with electrical nerve stimulation and laser therapy conducted upon the brain. If successful, this wouldn't necessarily be defined as a cure or a reversal of death. What it means is that we would have defined death incorrectly in the first place. For if humans can return from being brain dead, that means that somewhere their consciousness lived on while their body started to wither. Perhaps we'd stand more chance of living forever if we fought the underlying causes of death, rather than attempting to reverse it when it occurs. This something the SENS Research Foundation are investigating, with their experiments aimed at generating biological immortality in human beings. If a human being manages to live to old age and avoid falling pianos, gunshots, and lion fights, their eventual death will come as a result of the failure of their cells to replicate themselves. When this happens, it causes all manner of conditions, with your weakened body now rendered unable to fight them off and repair itself afterwards. However, not all creatures become weaker with age. There are many forms of bacteria which are technically immortal due to their cells being unaffected by their increasing age. Other creatures are also deemed immortal in this way, such as hydras, certain jellyfish and lobsters, and planarian flatworms. Attempts to engage this mechanism in humans has thus far failed. Elizabeth Parish of BioViva tried to use gene therapy to make herself immortal, and she has since reported feeling more energetic and lively. I guess we'll only know if it works if she outlives us all. But another experiment conducted at Harvard in 2017 may bring results a little sooner. Led by biologist David Sinclair, a team of researchers trialed a compound called NAD+ on mice. Afterwards, they reported that they had reversed the cellular aging process in the mice treated with this special compound. The old and young mouse cells were indistinguishable. And with mice typically living for only a few years at most, we should know whether this treatment is successful within the next decade, although human trials are already scheduled to begin within the coming months, meaning that in our lifetimes, we may genuinely discover a method of extending, well, our lifetimes.